Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Mwah. Mwah. So in this week's video, we're going to be trying out SHEIN's premium collection, and on their website it says that their premium collection is their elevated, sophisticated, higher quality range. So I'm going to be trying out a few of the items from there, and we're just going to be reviewing them. So let's jump straight into the video and unbox the parcel. So this is the parcel here. Let me put it on the desk. Okay, so let's start off with the first item. So here's the bag, the premium range. Okay. Comes with a really nice little belt. So this is the dress. I don't know whether you can see. Very nice, and it's got like a one shoulder puffer, and it's sort of down, goes down like that, and then down the bottom it's got like a little frill going on, and it's got a cute little belt to go with it as well. So this is really spring, very spring, very cute spring looking vibe. Alright, the next item is very bright. It's the brightest of all the items. Actually, I only have two bright items that I had gotten. So this is the first one. A jumpsuit. So pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. The color is, whew. Look at this on our skin tone. Look at this with my makeup. I could just put this on and go out for dinner right now, but we're in lockdown, so that's that. And it comes with this thing. What do you call it? A shawl? A scarf? I don't know. Dignity cloth? I don't know. But it's got like a really nice, I love jumpsuits like this, where it's halter. It's a halter neck. And then it detaches, and it's got like a little hole there. And it's backless, and then it's got the pants like that. Beautiful. I love the color. Let's try this one on and see what it looks like on. This one will be gorgeous on. Next look is another dress, actually. Another dress. So this is Bougie on a budget. This honestly looks like Country Road or something. This is a dress. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Straps look a little long, but that's because I'm small. So it's this color, and it's got some belt loops on it so that you can see. And then also down the bottom it's got what do you call this? I can't remember, but it's stitched like that, and it sort of flares out a little bit like a little mermaid. This will be really nice if it's like tight, very tight. And it comes with a belt. Super cute, super cute. This is definitely me in summer or even in spring. This is very church girl friendly. I am a church girl, so I can't say that. It's very church girl friendly. But you would obviously put something over the top in terms of like, you know, like a little throw on or something, like something just to cover your arms while you're in church, and then when you go out to take your OOTDs, that's when you take it off. Or a blazer or something. This is really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Quality is really, really nice as well. This quality is amazing. So let's try this one on. Alright, so the next outfit is another white one. Another little, this one is a little white dress. Yeah, this one is the little white dress. Oh, this one's so cute. And it's like this little white dress, and it's got, what do you call it? Elastic here, and it like sort of bunches up at the front, and you tie it up at the back. It's a bit backless at the back. I love a backless dress. And she's a bit small. She's a bit tiny. This is one you go at, I would wear definitely out to dinner, where I know I'm not going to be, you know, doing any stupid stuff, any dancing or anything like that. It'll be definitely one that I wear, you know, going out for a dinner in the afternoon, or a lunch, or a bridal shower. Definitely, this is a bridal shower type of dress. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Wow, I love this. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's a blazer. Let me just say, this quality is the best I've seen by far. I've been saying the quality is nice here, but the quality, it's so thick. So thick. The quality is really, really nice of this, and it's very heavy as well. It's structured so well. If this is like nice and tight fitted, it's gonna look so pretty. And the color, look at it on my skin. Everything is just matching with my makeup today. I don't know. Except for what I'm wearing. It's not matching. I don't know why I thought it would. But this is it. So pretty. I like this. I like this. I'm a sucker for a nice statement blazer. Let's try this one on, and we'll outfit it as well so we can see. This is the next item, another white piece. Ooh. Oh, I remember this one. This is definitely church girl friendly. This is, oh, I would wear this one to the first Sunday. The first Sunday that we get out to go, first big Sunday, this is what I'm gonna be in. So pretty. And down the bottom it's like this. Very nice. And you can wear it, you can cover it up if you want, or if you don't want, but if you're going to church, maybe cover it up. It's not plain white, like it's got a, this is the material, so it's really nice, very nice, and it's not see-through at all, not at all. Next item that I got is again something light. Oh, I remember this one. Oh, yes. Oh, I can't wait to try you on. Oh, she's cute. My gosh. It's this top and it's like this corset top. How nice is it? And it's got like puffer sleeve and it's got like button down the bottom. Oh, this is like giving me Zachary, the label, honestly. Quality is really, really nice. The corset part is not stretchy. It's like fabric. These buttons probably do not undo. No, they don't. My only problem with this is that the corset part looks a bit big for me. Because I'm just looking at my body now here. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a bit big for me. So the next item that I got is a bag. I know, accessories. Okay, tatenda. And this is it. It's white again. And it has this like pearl detail at the front. Super cute. And it is part of their premium range. Again, let me just so you can see it. And it's like a crocodile print as well. And this is like white. Like it's not ivory, it's white. It's cute. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked the video. Comment down below what your favorite items is and what your favorite items are. I have a coupon code for you guys. I'm going to put it here so you guys can see. So if you want to go and shop on SHEIN, go shop using my code and find yourself some nice goodies. You can even get some of the stuff that I got if you really like it. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.